Well, good morning, folks. Ho, ho, ho. Holy shit, it's cold outside. Yeah, it's Captain Banana, and it's Thursday, December 22nd. And I am here in, I don't know, somewhere, not Oklahoma City. I don't know, somewhere in Oklahoma. I'm at a truck stop. We got this badass weather coming through. And I woke up 5 o'clock this morning and I was just like, it doesn't look too bad. Then the truck started shaking and I'm looking at the weather maps and the weather radar and everything. And I'm like, yeah, nope, nope. I'm supposed to make a delivery of Moore, Oklahoma, which is 2 hours from where I'm at. And no, no, screw that. I'm staying put. It's currently 7:37 a.m. and well, that's what the wind is doing. Hey, look, there's a prime flatbed. There's somebody else freezing his nutsack off as he's running across the parking lot saying, "Keek, keek, 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 Christ, it's cold." That's one of my favorite jokes. The Alaska state bird, the kiki bird, stands on an iceberg, goes, "Keek, keek, keek, Christ, it's cold." Now, the other guys that are pulling out, well, that's because the truck stop is full. People that were smart parked yesterday and said, nah, I'm not driving. There was a guy that was parked next to me yesterday that left, and another guy, well, I'm parked correctly, and he nosed in because there's somebody, somebody parked behind him, or parked in front of him. So, yeah, people are just pulling in and parking because, well, wind chill's supposed to get to something like -10 or something like that. There's my clumsy kitty cat. She fell off the top bunk and hurt her foot. She's limping around a little bit. Try to explain to the cat that, it's not safe to ride on the top bunk when the truck's moving, but, it's a cat. They don't listen. They don't listen because, it's a cat. Right, pussycat? Here's the foot. There's a foot she's limping around on. Poor thing. But anyway, yeah, so, I called my receiver this morning and I told him, like, look, I'm looking at the weather radar and everything, and the wind's just starting to blow pretty hard now, and this was at 5 a.m., so it's, 20 of 8 now, so I'm like, yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I said, hate to disappoint you, but I'm not risking my life to go deliver this load of furniture that they're waiting on. Nope, not having them. It's not worth it. There's no load worth my life. Nope. So, I made the executive decision because, hell, I'm Captain Banana and I'm the captain of my ship. And I said, hell no, I'm staying put where I'm nice and safe. And that's what I did. Boy, man, these trucks are covered with ice, and this guy's headlights, they're just ice covered. Yeah. And that's the other thing with these LED bulbs. Well, the LEDs don't get. I mean, he's spinning out in the parking lot. Don't get hot, so you don't get any kind of heat to melt the ice, and yeah, you get ice buildup. Now it's enough rambling from me. Y'all be safe out there. Y'all have a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, etc. Happy Hanukkah, and I'll talk to you next year.